So what are your kids doing this summer? So if you're interested in getting your kids signed up to our fishing camp, please register. We're only offering 4 weeks of it, and there's only 5 kids per week. Okay, so there's very limited space that we have. This is a chance to get your kids outside, enjoy the sun, away from their devices. We'll be on the water fishing every day, learning how to tie knots, catching fish, a little bit of boater safety. So if your kids never done it before, it's okay. We're here to teach them. If your kids have done it and been through it, get them out of the house, get them out there fishing with us every day. So I'm looking forward to seeing your kids at our fishing camp this summer.